प्रथमभागः
Page number 30.
In page number 30, 11th question. चित्रे वृक्षस्य मूलं फलं च दृष्ट्वा संख्याम् अनुसृत्य कस्य मूलस्य किं फलम् इति लिखता. You understand, is it not in this figure? The roots are given numbers, serial numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 10. From the root, you know the serial numbers of the parts of the tree, fruits. For example, number 1, first root, ahankaraha. Ahankaraha in the tree, number 1 denotes krodhaha. षष्ठी विभक्ति अहंकारस्य फलं क्रोधः. तथा अन्यानि अपि भवन्तः लिखन्तु. द्वितीयं क्षमा. सेकंड इज क्षमा. क्षमा स्त्रीलिंगम् अस्ति, आकारान्त स्त्रीलिंगम्. षष्ठी विभक्ति सीता, सीतायाः. अत्र क्षमा. क्षमा षष्ठी विभक्ति क्षमायाः. क्षमायाः फलं शान्तिः. सेकंड वन इज शान्तिः. थर्ड वन उद्वेगः. उद्वेगः अकारान्त पुंलिङ्गः. रामः इव. षष्ठी विभक्ति रामस्य. उद्वेगः उद्वेगस्य. उद्वेगस्य फलं किमस्ति? संतापः. उद्वेगस्य फलं संतापः. चतुर्थम् आशा. आकारान्त स्त्रीलिंगः. रमा, रमायाः. आशा, आशायाः फलं दुःखम्. आशायाः फलं दुःखम्. पंचमं भक्तिः. भक्तिः इकारान्त स्त्रीलिंगः. षष्ठी विभक्ति भक्त्याः. भक्तेः अपि. It has got two forms. भक्तिः इकारान्त स्त्रीलिंगम्. भक्तेः, भक्त्याः. Two types we can tell. भक्त्याः फलं. फिफ्थ इज भगवदनुग्रहः. भक्त्याः फलं भगवदनुग्रहः. सिक्स्थ वन इज द्वेषः. पुंलिंगम् अकारान्त पुंलिंगम्. द्वेषः द्वेषस्य. द्वेषस्य फलं. सिक्स्थ इज मनस्तापः. द्वेषस्य फलं मनस्तापः. सेवेंथ शुचिता. आकारान्त स्त्रीलिंगः. शुचितायाः. शुचितायाः फलं. सप्तमं कुत्र? आरोग्यं. शुचितायाः फलं आरोग्यं. शुचिता इत्युक्ते क्लीनलीनेस. शुचिता मीन्स क्लीनलीनेस. The result of cleanliness is health, आरोग्यम. शुचितायाः फलं आरोग्यम. एय्थ परोपकारः. अकारान्तः पुंलिङ्गमस्ति. रामस्य. परोपकारः परोपकारस्य. परोपकारस्य फलं पुण्यम्. एय्थ पुण्यम्. परोपकारस्य फलं पुण्यम्. नाइन्थ सेवा. आकारान्त स्त्रीलिंगः. सेवायाः. सेवायाः फलं. नाइन्थ मनश्शान्तिः. सेवायाः फलं मनश्शान्तिः। दशमं परिश्रमः। परिश्रमः रामशब्द इव अकारान्तः पुंलिङ्गः रामस्य। परिश्रमः परिश्रमस्य। परिश्रमस्य फलं साफल्यम्। परिश्रमः इत्युक्ते हार्ड वर्क। The result of hard work is result, success, safalyam. That's why. Now, coming to 31st page, 12th question. Etani subhashitani uchchaihi pathata. Read this subhashitam loudly. Pathata, plural. You all read loudly. Punyasya phalamicchanti punyam nechanti manavaha phalam papasya nechanti papam kurvanti yatnataha. First, divide all the combined words. Punyasya phalam icchanti. Punyam na icchanti manavaha. Phalam papasya na icchanti papam kurvanti yatnataha. Its meaning is punyasya phalam icchanti. Punyasya of punya, icchanti, they like, phalam, the result of the phalam they want, people. Punyam na icchanti manavaha. Manavaha means people, all subjects, all the people. Punyam na icchanti, they don't want to do punyam, but they want only its good result. In the second line, phalam papasya na icchanti. Papam, bad work, for sin. They don't want the result. Its result they don't want. But papam kurvanti yatnataha. By their own efforts, they do sins only. Papam kurvanti. Kurvanti plural. They do. Kurvanti yatnataha. By hard, by any means, they want to, they do the only wrong things. Papam only they kurvanti. Meaning, it is given below that. Janaha punyasya phalam icchanti kintu punya karyani kartum na icchanti. They want punyasya phalam, but they don't want to do the good works. Punya karyani na icchanti. Papasya phalam na icchanti. For sins, they don't want its results. Kintu prayatnena papakaryani kurvanti. With great effort, they do only sins. Second one we will go. Hastasya bhushanam danam. Satyam kanthasya bhushanam. Shrotrasya bhushanam shastram. Bhushanai kim prayojanam. We are learning here the use of Shashti Vibhakti. Hastasya bhushanam. The ornament for the hand, of the hand, is danam. Hastasya bhushanam danam. Donation, giving, is the credit for the hand. Satyam kanthasya bhushanam. Telling truth is the ornament for the neck, or for the mouth. Kantha is neck. So, the truth is the real ornament for the neck or for the face, you call it, take it. Kantha षष्ठी विभक्ति कंठस्य, हस्तः षष्ठी विभक्ति हस्तस्य. श्रोत्रस्य भूषणं शास्त्रम. For the ear, that to hear, the what is the ornament that we wear, not the what do you call earring, the hearing of some shastram, say Bhagavatam, Ramayanam, or some science subject, or some mathematics. These are the hearing. These are the ornaments for hearing. Bhushanaihi kim prayojanam. Here, anya bhushanaihi, we can take it as anya bhushanaihi. When these ornaments are there, why? What is the use of all other bhushanam sastasya, ornament
15
like that?
15 and 1
more. I will read out the Tatparyam. Danakaranam eva hastasya bhushanam. Donating is the hands ornament. Satyabhashanam eva kanthasya bhushanam. Telling truth is the ornament for the neck. Shastra sravanam eva karnasya bhushanam. To hear some good words is ears bhushanam. Anyehi bhushanai kim prayojanam. With the other bhushanams there is no use. Okay? Next one. Papanam shodhakam nityam paranandasya bodhakam rojakam chittavrittinam bhajadvam nama mangalam. Papanam, here he is using the plurals of Shashti Vibhakti, Bahuvachanam. Papam, Papasya Ekavachanam, Papanam Bahuvachanam. For sins, of sins. Shodhakam Nityam. Nityam, the check. Check for sins is Mangalam Nama. Good name. Good name is God's name. God's name, by telling repetition of God's name, it checks the sins. It will not allow the results of the sins. Paranandasya bodhakam. Bodhakam is teaching. For teaching, you have to, that is anandasya. To get enjoyment for our happiness, you have to teach somebody the unknown things. Rochakam chitta vrittinam. To control the mind, what is the interesting topic? Nama Mangalam. Nama Mangalam means Mangalam Nama, God's good name. Bhajadhvam. You devote. Be devoted to God. Bhajadhvam means you make devotion to Mangalam Nama, good words of the God.
So, in these three, in the first one, there is a singular, dual, and bahuvachanam of Shashti Vibhakti.
Dual not is there. Here also, first and second slokas, they are only singular Pradhama Vibhakti. Shashti Vibhakti. And in the third sloka, he has used Papanam Bahuvachanam. Other things, Chittavrittinam Bahuvachanam. Here Ekavachanam, Paranandasya Ekavachanam only. Bhagavatah Nama Papanam Shodhanam Karoti Paranandam Bodhayati Chittavrittinam Rochakam Bhavati Ataha Tat Sevaniyam. इति